Most folks think investing overseas is some grand adventure. Planes, tours, handshakes, the whole parade. But the truth is simple. A good business is a good business, no matter where it sits on the map. Warren Buffett was once asked if he felt comfortable investing outside the United States, and he just smiled. The kind of smile a man gives when he's already solved the puzzle. He said, "I'm comfortable anywhere, as long as I understand the business, the rules, and the people running it." That's the whole game. Not geography. Understanding. He said Berkshire would buy a company in any of 40 countries tomorrow, if it was the right business. But most of the deals that land on his desk, they're American. Not because he prefers them, just because that's where people know to find him. Then came the story he loves to tell. A man from Israel sends him a letter, just a page and a half. No roadshow, no glossy brochure, just conviction. Warren reads it and likes what he sees. The man insists Warren should fly out and tour the plant, says it's unlike anything he's ever seen. Warren laughs and says, "I don't even go to Iowa." He wasn't being rude, just honest. He doesn't need to walk the factory floor to know if the numbers and the people make sense. Finally, Warren says, "Look, I love your business. I'll give you $4 billion, but I'm not crossing an ocean to look at it." The man stops, then asks, "If you buy the business, will you come?" Warren says yes. So he buys 80% for $4 billion, and then he goes. And when he gets there, the plant is everything the man promised. Efficient, beautiful, world-class. Warren turns to him and says, "If I'd seen this first, I'd have paid you more." That's why I don't visit businesses. A reminder from a man who's seen it all. Trust the numbers. Trust the people. Don't let the tour sway the price.